Don't poke. She thinks it's good? Me turn. Yeah, Courtney's turn. Duck. Uh-huh. I dare you to do Courtney. Uh-uh. Your turn. Oh, she's going down. Oh. Okay, you guys are making the baby cry. Okay. Get off the juice. And as far as being not feeling emissions, why don't you take it? That cute or what? Find a beautiful looking man and take it again. In any case, Lucy, your condition is stable. But most likely but it could be worse. I think you should need 10-second calm. We are funded out of Sandusky, Ohio by TV Don't you think it's adorable? I love you too. What are you doing? You got a daddy? Can I have him? Cammy? Can I have the daddy? Okay, hold the word up. What you're going to do is you're going to take the word, you're going to read it to me, and then you're going to take the piece of tape, and you're going to go stick the word on the thing that it is. So sound the word out. What is that?
Ball.
Okay, what is it?
Ball.
Where does it go?
What?
I'm not a ball. Go find a ball and stick it on the ball.
Okay. There you are.
You found it. Here. Let's do another one. What's this word?
What? Dog.
No, what's it? Come here. Come back here. What's the W say?
What?
What's 2O say? What's the last letter say?
Duh.
So what's that word?
What? Duh.
What is it?
What?
Good.
What?
No, the O say
What? Duh. Wood!
Cool, where's that go? Is that some wood?
Yep.
Okay. Here's an easy one. What's this one?
What did the sign say?
Okay, E and R together says So it sound it out.
Sister.
Good. Go find a sister. Get him! Get Careful. Go tell Cammy you're sorry. Okay, here we go. We got more.